viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to make something new things. Let's start the video. As we know, everyone use cloth bag for daily life purpose. Sometimes we shopping, wages or some other purpose. If you have many bag, then you can create some DIY items for daily life uses. First of all, collect all the bag whatever colors you have at home. I am using white colors bag because I have that colors only. Now first of all, take one bag from the handle part, cutting attach handles, then cutting long columns into a pieces. Make a perfect separate pieces. You all are enjoying my videos and watching my all short videos. If you like these videos, give a like and just subscribe my channel for more upcoming new videos. Cutting very nicely and make it separate column into a pieces. Now then take a two pieces of columns, make a knot. Knot means a perfect strong knot. Then make it two knots, then add one more part. Make a strong knot and then make it a beads in your style. Whatever style, I have my own style, and if you know some more styles, see here make it tight braids and end part at same process by tying the knot, and the same process make a braid again. You have to make a long one braids. Completing the braids, you have to make a knot with braids to each end parts. Now gather some braids, make it 6-7 braids, combine with each, make a big braids and combine them. Make it very nicely these braids because there is lots of braids, you have to attach and combine them. It will be 6 or 7 or you can take 7 to 8, it's your wish. That it will not complete in one day, it will take 1 week, near about 1 week or 3 to 5 days. It will, once it will completed, then it will look very nice and looks very good. So have some patience and take your time and make it very nicely. See, like this you have to attach with each other and you have to swing it in a swing machine. The border part you have to attach some piece of cloth to look like a beautiful piece, and you can swing it by your hand only. But make it very carefully. Take your time. Now see, the result is here. It looks so beautiful and nice. Yes, it's a sitting mat. You sit comfortably and it's feel very soft. Thanks for watching my videos. Leave a like to my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, till then, bye bye.